Building a portfolio on M1 Finance is a structured process that lets you create a personalized investment strategy. Here's how to do it. Sign up and fund your account. Start by creating an M1 Finance account. Complete the registration process, including KYC requirements. Once verified, fund your account with an initial deposit from your linked bank account. Access the Pie section. Log into M1 Finance and navigate to the Portfolio or Pie section. This is where you will build and manage your investment portfolio. Create or choose a pie. You can either create a custom pie or select from M1's pre-built pies. To create a custom pie, click Create Pie and add stocks and ETFs that fit your investment goals. Allocate a percentage of your portfolio to each asset based on your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Allocate funds. Decide how much money to invest in each pie. You can set up a one-time deposit or schedule recurring contributions to automatically invest funds according to your pie's allocation. Review and adjust. Monitor your portfolio's performance and adjust your pie allocations as needed. You can add or remove investments and rebalance your pie to maintain your desired asset distribution. Automate investments. Set up automatic deposits to consistently invest and grow your portfolio over time.